Hello, today I will show you how to check RAM speed on Windows 10. You have to press the right mouse button on the work bar at the bottom. Next, you need to click on the Task Manager menu. After the Task Manager window opens, you need to click on the Performance tab. In the Performance tab, click on Memory. Here you can see all the information about memory. You can see that my memory speed is 2400 MHz. Also here you can see other information, for example, what amount of memory is used and what amount is still available. You can also see the maximum amount of memory and the number of memory slots. If this information about memory speed was useful to you, please leave a comment and subscribe to the channel.